Boy, you so ugly. Hey!
Hi, look, YouTube. What up, YouTube? It's your boy Cam So Wavy. I'm gonna show y'all how to get waves for beginners. Y'all some tips, everything. So hit the subscribe button, comment, like, do all that. Stay tuned. Alright, guys. So first and foremost, the most important thing to waving is to stay focused, motivated, dedicated. If you are not motivated and dedicated, you will not succeed. That's probably anything in life, but we talk about waving right now. Anything in life, you won't succeed unless you stay dedicated and motivated. As far as staying dedicated, what I mean by that is brushing every night, putting do-rag on every night. A lot of y'all don't do that, and that's what it takes. Motivated. By being motivated, it's just simple. Why are you watching this video if you are not motivated? You have to be motivated to be a waver. It takes a lot of time, dedication, watch videos, get better and better. Cause you're not gonna have waves from the start. I'm telling you that right now. As you can see, I just cut my hair, and I did this for all y'all to see my progress as we go through. And I'm gonna show y'all it just takes a lot of brushing. So I'm gonna work with y'all, and I don't never want y'all to be confused with me at no point. So I hope y'all enjoy. Everybody know what these are. Brushes.
Duh, man.
You gotta brush. If you don't brush, you're definitely not gonna get waves. I mean, that's the whole point of this. Brush, 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 brush. Not so much about the products you use, what do-rag you use. Brush. You have any brush. Don't get nothing too hard when you got a little cut. Don't get nothing too soft when it's a little hot. But other than that, get a brush and brush. That's all you have to do. I'm talking about all day. This is not a one-time, two-time a day thing. I'm talking about all day. While you're in school, work, brush. Brush, 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 brush. Products I use. Right here, we got Sport Waves. This is how I look in the inside. I don't really like grease like that, but it's good for starters. And I use it when I first start. Natural guy, so. Right here we have African shea butter. I didn't even show you at the top. Very natural. You can use it on skin too. I like using it on my hair. It's very natural and good for you. Don't smell too good. Don't got really much smell to it, but it's good for you. Got wave pomade. This is when your hair grow out a little bit. Say about 2 to 3 weeks. This is how it look. You can see it's pretty good because it's almost gone. It's very natural and it's very healthy. Right here I have a lot of body. Love it. You can actually use this on afros. I mean, you can use it on whatever. It's very good for your hair. Argan oil. Love it. Smells great. And you definitely use it after you're done shampooing. Smells great. And eventually I give y'all a shampoo routine. This right here, best thing ever created. Curl Enhancer Smoothing has neem oil, silk protein, coconut oil. Real good. This is how it look inside. Some good stuff, right? It's very expensive though. I wouldn't say very expensive, but a lot of people, 15. You don't really need that. Long as, like I said, long as you brush, you good. Just brush. Get a little bit of grease or whatever you don't need to do, right? You can use a stocking cap too, but make sure you're wrapping it up at night, or you know what I'm saying, throughout the day. Use a stocking cap. Doesn't matter. But your hair needs to be wrapped up, most definitely. Like I said, I got a clean cut. See a little bit of ripples. Can you? I don't know. But yeah. Stay tuned. Give y'all a quick brushing session. Show y'all how to brush your hair. Show you how I brush my hair. You have to figure out your own pattern, the way you brush. As for now, you don't need to be worrying about that. Just brush, brush, brush. Just brush. Because all you want to do right now is get waves. Connections will start coming in. Then that's when you worry about that. As of now, you just brush. That's all you need to do is just brush. 24/7, have a brush. Just brush. So y'all stay tuned, and I'm gonna give y'all a quick brushing session how it's done. Right here, guys, what we have here is a steam towel. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put that on, put some water on the rag, put it in the microwave for a minute, how hot you can take it, put it on your head. What this does is, it'll open up your pores, and just leave that on until it get cold. That's good enough though. I'm gonna take some Sport and Wave, and go around your hands, and just apply. Right around, just apply. Rub it in real good. Boy!
You marry your brush?
But that's if you got a mirror. This is how I brush mine. I have a beehive, 3-way beehive I like to do. You can follow this. So what I do is take it and I go at an angle like that. If you can see. Now you don't really need to worry about all the, what if it don't connect? My crown, don't worry about any of that right now. What we are just trying to do, just start up for beginner. Just get waves right now. Connect down the line. If you stay dedicated, all that will come in line. Now, we just trying to get waves. Simply just like this. Y'all don't make fun of me too, because I know I'm ugly right now, but I'll be looking fine in about another week or two. I'll tell you that right now, you feel me? All right, so top, just do that. All right, as far as my right side, take the brush and y'all can't hold the brush like this.
Come on, man. What you doing?
Get a firm grip, brush. And what I do for the right side is take it and I go straight down, just like that. It ain't straight down. All the way down, straight down. All right, as far as the back, this is probably the most simplest. If you don't take care of the back, it will look ugly. You want to be in the mirror when you're brushing the back because you can't really see. Well, I go at a little angle, actually a little angle. So take a little angle, just like that. All right, as far as my left side, what I do is I take it and you're going at an angle this time. Straight. You're going at an angle, just like that. Instead of going straight down like you did the right, you go at an angle on the left. Just like that. Alright. Now that I showed y'all how to do that, I'm about to go stupid at the brush. Stay tuned and watch me. Ooh, I'm tired. Man, the brush is some work. It's been a while. But now, I'm gonna show y'all how to apply this do-rag. Stay tuned. I'm gonna show you exactly how I put it on. So I take it, I put it on just like that. I don't like the line. I don't want it on my waves or on my head. So what I do, I put it right here. Line it up. Take it around. Do a little tie in the back. Just like that. Like around, come around, tuck the first one in. Take the other side. Tuck that one in. Reason I do it like this is because I don't like this hanging and I don't want it to fall off while I'm asleep. As of now, I'm not about to go to sleep, but it's time to wrap it up, tie it up, baby. I take these, roll them up, take it, loop it, and boom. This is how I wear mine. Nice smooth, not too tight, won't leave no lines on your head. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Subscribe, hit that like button, share this video. If y'all need friends, if y'all got y'all mans, anybody who need wave tutorials on how to get waves, just come to me. I got you. Stick with me. Make sure y'all keep brushing. And when the next video comes, we will definitely see some progress. Appreciate y'all. Peace.